Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Roots, kinesiologist, personal trainer, nutrition coach, and fit mama of two beautiful baby boys. And today I have an awesome recipe for any of you breastfeeding mamas out there who are looking to increase your milk supply with a tasty but still healthy lactation cookie recipe. I'm currently still breastfeeding my 7-month-old baby boy, and this is my go-to healthy recipe because in my mind, everybody loves a good chocolate chip cookie, and for me, if I'm gonna eat a chocolate chip cookie, I might as well get more out of it, like increasing my milk supply. So let's get right onto the recipe so you guys can get baking and get eating some amazing but healthy chocolate chip cookies. Just quickly, before we go, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit that bell to be notified because I'm bringing you new videos for fit mamas, at-home workouts, nutrition tips, how I lost my baby weight, all kinds of things to help you on your fitness and fat loss journey and to become strong, fit mamas. Simple yet oh so tasty and oh so healthy lactation cookie recipe. You guys, leave a comment below. Let me know, what did you add to your cookies to switch it up? I added little apricot chunks, but if you added something different, let's get a conversation going in the comments here to give each other ideas of what you added to your cookies to make them super tasty. So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoy this lactation cookie recipe as much as I do, and they help you on your breastfeeding journey. So make sure you check out my website for more training programs, nutrition info, and all things to help you on your journey through fit motherhood. I have done this twice. I've got two beautiful baby boys, and I want to help you guys. Make sure you check out some of the other videos on my channel. I have bodyweight workouts for home, rebuilding your core, all kinds of things, so check it out. And again, if you like this video, leave it a like, leave me a comment, let me know how you like the cookies, and I'll see you guys in the next one.